Yo, good morning. Sorry for the delay. A few minutes late today on the stream. Had something come up last minute, but I'm here. And I want to welcome you to Beast Most Trades YouTube. We appreciate you stopping by, watching us do some trades, and we'd love to have you as part of the family. So if you're interested in joining, hit the Discord link down below in the description and be a part of the most lit trading squad on this planet. The dopest of the dopest. So how's everybody doing out there today? Hope everybody's well. I'm doing great, although the weather is bad out here right now, and it's gonna get worse. So I don't know how it's gonna do with the stream. I don't know if we're gonna get some intermittent connectivity issues here later on or not, but we'll just hope for the best and proceed as usual. Oh, so close, my brother Chris. If you guys don't know Chris, he's normally in the stream. He is one of our top traders in the group, getting sniper entries. I mean, to the cent sometimes. And he just posted a screenshot, just $1 or $2 off, if that, on Bitcoin right before the major move up. But it's like that sometimes when you're aiming for those sniper entries. We call those the greediest levels. When you're aiming for the greediest levels, sometimes you just get missed. Anyways, let's get started with the pre-market analysis. I did some off camera this morning. I just had so much clutter in here from just piled up throughout the week, levels that are still good, and cleared off some of yesterday's levels that were hit, but I went ahead and organized them how I normally do. I just been in stream mode. I just haven't been organizing. So I still have our untapped levels, but I have them grouped. Trends here, got the order block levels up here, and I got alerts set up so that whenever we get close to those levels, alert comes on and tells me to enable these folders. And this is typically how I do it. We got group 1 down here, group 2 below that, and then we have way out. That's just if we decide to bottom. But anyways, so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. See if there's any new levels to mark out from yesterday. I went ahead and adjusted our daily trend to up here. We created a new accumulation candle up here and closed on a daily. So our new daily trend is marked from there to here. That daily trend has been very important and very respected since we started our decline. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that for higher time frame trades or bigger moves. But right now, that's where we're at. Our 4-hour is still valid. However, we are rendering price below the 4-hour right now. This candle doesn't count because it didn't hard close below it. So as of right now, the previous 4-hour uptrend is still valid. But we'll monitor that as well as the day develops. We started a new 4-hour candle, and if this is a down candle, that would make the new uptrend. So let's see. Back on the daily here. I know I don't need to mark anything here because that's where our daily order block and levels are. And all the way up to this 4-hour up here, that gives us 5%. So we could trade anything in between there. And if we mark down here, down to our group 2 in this area, that gives us 5%. So just in case you guys didn't know where that 5% comes in, that is a top step rule. You cannot trade more than a 5% move in a day. So after it's moved 5%, I could be wrong. I'm still kind of new to Top Step, but I could be wrong. I assume that after 5% move up or down, they want you to be out. And it's to mitigate risk. Anyways, nothing on the daily here to mark. We've already marked our levels here. We do have a daily down here that we can mark. But again, that's outside of the 5%. So, you know, let's just go ahead and mark it anyways. We do have a daily here, so we'll mark it daily. Okay, so let's get down to our 4 hour here. Start marking some of these 4 hour levels here. So yesterday we created a nice level here. But man, look at this stuff right here though, real quick. Look at these levels we marked out yesterday. When we hit that 3 minute, boom. Got a nice little move. Came down to that 1 minute, nice little move. And the 1 minute's kind of getting weak here, but that's to be expected. Once you've tapped it the first time, they're kind of like, for me, they're washed. Some people trade multiple touches, but I do not. Let's get back to the 4 hour level that we were about to mark. So we do have a 4 hour level here. Let's mark that. Now this 15 minute here was all part of that move here in the middle. We'll still mark this. We'll still leave this here as it's untapped, but it's kind of weak in my opinion. So we'll still monitor that area for a potential scalp, but nothing major, not in my opinion anyways. So we do have a nice little 4 hour here, but that's in that group 1, group 2 area. Let's go ahead and enable group 1 and group 2 while we're down here. So yeah, that 4 hour was not marked there, and these lower levels are part of this 4 hour range here. So we'll keep that there. This here is a 4 hour inside of this OB. And I'm kind of waiting for this OB too. Been waiting for this OB since Monday, I believe. Then there's a 4 hour below here. Now we can, let's add this 4 hour to this group 2 stuff here. Just to keep everything nice and clean. Have a 5 minute here. Okay. We do have a 4 hour here. That is also inside of group 2, which it probably shouldn't be at this point. It should be a group on its own. Let's look to see if there's some lower levels below this 4 hour here. Nothing there. 15 minute here. Nothing on the 15 here. Not part of that 4 hour range anyways. See on the 5 minute. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing here. So yeah, so that 4 hour even that's been touched, even down to the 3 minute. Might be able to mark this out. Let's see. Nope. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that 4 hour range. I'm going to keep that 4 hour as part of group 2, but it actually don't belong there. It should be a group on its own with some levels in here. However, I'm not finding anything. I'm not finding anything on the lower time frames. Oh, we have a level here. How did I miss that? There we go. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, most importantly, my brother. That's right. I know I'm late. I wasn't paying attention to the chat, brother. Let's see. We don't have nothing there. Okay. All right. Let's get back to doing some analysis below real quick. So we have this area here that I'm very, very interested in trading down here. Although we have developed a bit of a, let's look at this volume here. Not so much. Let's get back up here into this range here. So we do have a, okay, right here, let's get rid of group one real quick. We're going to create this new level here called, I'm going to call this group 0. It's going to be right below us. Group 0 levels. Okay. We'll mark out this one hour here. The 15's been touched. Group 1. So group 1 is in that lower range there. Let's go here to 5 minute. See if there's anything here. 5 minutes been touched. Here and there. Let's drop down to our 3. See if you see anything in there that's been untouched. See, there's some major volume right here, which has me interested in this level here. Although it came really close, it does have me interested in this area here. Look at the volume spike right after that. I'm glad we backed up and took a look at that that new 4-hour range that was created here. So let's see. So this is more like a front side on the 15 minute. Let's see. What the hell just happened? What the fuck? Let's get back here. Okay, there we go. That was weird. That was real weird. Oh yeah, this was that big move starting yesterday morning. Uh-huh. We still have all our levels marked above us, so we really don't need to do too much there. Okay, those are some random levels here. Not random, but just kind of off on their own. 14 minutes until market opens. Got some levels marked out. I do need to add this. Actually, I don't need to add an alert there. Just keep that alert there, and I'll keep these levels up. Let's get a group 2 right now. Okay, let's see. Group 2. Where's this 3 minute? 3 minute here. That belongs in group 2. Okay, let's get rid of that real quick. We'll keep these levels here, and then we will go ahead and enable the order block above so we can keep an eye on the levels above us and below us. So immediately below us, we got this whole entire zone here. That's very interesting. Yesterday's pump started here in this area here. If we look down on the 15, you can see it better. See this big candle here. So this right here honestly could be classified as a nice OB. Let's look at that on the higher time frame real quick. We could kind of do that on the hourly. Get back on the 15 real quick. 1 hour points of interest. Let's classify it as that, right? Let's put that into group 0. There we go. Man, look like volume on NAS has just been kind of dying. Just looking back at it, it's like we're slowly declining. We did have some spikes in volume here. And then yesterday, the spike actually was shit compared to previous. It could be because of the whole Ukraine-Russia thing where volume is not really in the market like that. But I'm not here to trade fundamentals. I'm trying to trade technicals. Pay attention to the fundamentals every now and then for maybe market sentiment, but we got 11 minutes till market opens. So just to kind of look at our plan here. Our plan here for intraday is going to be more like this here. We have our levels above and below where current price action is. We have a couple of levels on the way down to this OB that I marked out, or more like point of interest on the hourly. We'll monitor these levels. This 4 hour here is a nice front side level that was created just before the massive pump started yesterday. So we'll definitely start watching once we enter into this 15-minute. Now, if you go down to the 15-minute here, you can actually see why that 15-minute is marked there. You see this huge wick down and pump right up. If you put on the volume here, you could actually see a little bit better. See this big pump right here? Came down, tapped that level. Basically, that like a 15-minute level here. Tapped it to the dollar and just pushed off real hard. I'm still interested down into this area here. Shall we reach it? But for intraday or day trade, I'm looking down in here for longs, and I really want this inside order block for long-term shorts or intraday shorts. But we still have levels in between that we're going to be trying to scalp as price reaches those areas of interest. Other than that, looks like we're good on today's plan. I got my alert set here. I actually want to, I won't set an alert for group 0. I'll just leave that on the chart. I do have an alert up here for the daily point of interest above, and that's just because we have so much going on up here. Huge area of interest. That's 2.5%. So that's pretty much it for today, for today's plan anyways. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and move over to the trading window here, and we'll wait for market open. We have 8 minutes. If there's something you guys want me to look at in the meantime, I'll take a look at it. Other than that, I'll just be peeking around here on Bitcoin and watch what price is doing here. 6 minutes to market opens. Actually, there is something I want to check out on NAS real quick. Let's drop down to this 15 minute. Let's look at these 15-minute trends I got marked out here. I'm gonna hide this 4 hour for now. I'm gonna hide this daily for now. Let's take a look at what's happening on the immediate. So right now, is it still good? Yeah, we're still good on this 15-minute downtrend here. This is like your 15-minute master. We're still there, and we pushed away from it on the last touch. So we can let's see what happens after market opens. See what happens with this 15. If we if we get a hard close here above, I would be which is an accumulation above this downtrend. If we see a hard close here before or at our market open, I'll be more or less looking for at least a nice little move up to the top, maybe to take out these this buy side liquidity and come and tap that top trend there. It's our 15-minute uptrend here. What's this? Let's do 15-minute here like that. I'm uncertain about that uptrend. Anyways, 4 more minutes till market opens. That's a long wick. I'm interested in seeing what's going on up here. I don't have time to open up and load Excel charts, but I'm very interested in see what the volume looks like up in here the past couple days. Hold on, what did I just see? Chris, what does this look like? How do you think this is going to be traded, bro? Right. Right. Market is open. I was concentrating on Bitcoin too much. I missed the market open by 1 minute. I don't have any levels down here. I don't have any levels until we get to 480 area. So right now I am chilling. Remember, we're going to be watching this 15-minute here. See if we get some kind of reaction. Might touch and go, but let's see. Oh, we are here at a 3 minute. We do have a 3 minute level here. It's also a 2 minute. And also pretty much a 1 minute front side, back side, I mean. Let's do that. Let's look at this here. No, that was up here. So yeah, we don't have anything down there until we get to this 15. $14,472. It's such a humongous level, though. The invalidation is. If you look at it on the 15, you guys can see that level is fucking ridiculous. What's going on here? Look at that 15 with that long ass wick right there. Might be something down here in the bottom range we could use for an invalidation, but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, even down here into the order block. So, what to do? Like we said, that 15 minutes still intact. since we didn't get that accumulation close above it, just assume that the downtrend continues. As you see right here. So until this trend line is broken with a proper accumulation candle hard closing, we're just going to follow this downtrend. Let's take a look at the volume in CVD over here on Tradeovate. Still looking rough, man. Like it want to keep going, like it wants to keep going lower. Getting closer to this 15-minute level here. I just might scalp it. Look at this. I know we didn't make it to that 15-minute here. Pretty damn close, though. Keep in mind, I chart on a trading view using the Wanda NAS 100. So the levels are slightly off, but yeah, we didn't hit it here. I'd be able to go for it just using the body as an invalidation, but what was that level? Basically 480. I don't know. I'm not taking that level. There's way too much going on in there. Oh, shit. We tapped on it and moved up. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's way too much going on in there. We're only 8 minutes into 8 minutes into the market open, and yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. So yeah, if we would have did, but yeah, glad I didn't. I'd have been shitting bricks right now, man. Oh, there we go. There you go. There you go, mate. You can do it. Yeah, I want to get down to this, to these lower levels here. Oh, man. We're just coming down and filling these imbalances in. We created yesterday. Don't have much of an imbalance down here like we did here. So us popping off in this 15 is it wasn't a bad idea. I'm not gonna do it. I'll wait. And it is Wednesday, so I'm expecting a little bit of volatility. I'm tempted to look for this short scalp scalping the bottom of this value area high that's developing. Scratch that. See what we got going on here. Looks like that 15-minute actually held up. I just wasn't comfortable taking it. When I see these long neutral candles like that, I'm thinking take profit. Huh. $15. Looks like they're shaking out some positions here. Looks like we're starting to, looks like we're wanting to go down below into that OB or area of interest we marked out earlier. Looks like I had a couple of opportunities, but in my opinion, kind of risky to take some trades already. But again, I'm not too much into trying to YOLO things here. Go. Breaking through now. Damn. Sound like it was gonna catch fire. Yeah, that's much better. Just change out the coil. Ain't nothing like a new coil on a vape. Tastes like candy. Look at the volume here, man. God. That was the moment. That was the moment. Came back and tested this. That I should have shorted. Playing around with this damn e-cigarette. I've been a nice little scout. Oh, you got the Argus Pro. Yeah. Sammy has one. Sammy. Pretty sure it's the Argus. I'm using the, not sponsored by the way. Let me see if I could get it to, here you go. The Voopoo. Oh, it is the Argus. I'm retarded. I have the Argus. My bad, bro. My bad, man. Let's see what's going on here. I ordered the August. I think somebody else would. I'm fucking vaping one. I didn't even know what the name of it was. I just know that when I went into the shop, I said, man, I need something that has good flavor, doesn't leak much. He handed me this. I said, sold. As far as quick scalps go, I am looking for shorts currently, as we are obviously in a micro downtrend. I missed that 2 minute, even a 3 minute. Look at this 3 minute. Nice little scalp earlier. I mean, until we break structure some kind of way, I'm looking for a trade that offers low risk, or at least a good risk reward. So right now I got nada. If I short it here, what would my stop be? Above this high? Or would I take it? Shorting right into support here, or some sort of support. So now I gotta wait. I was just showing you guys on TradingView, and the damn screen was on Tradeovate. Volume tapering down. Okay. There's a nice little volume node right here. High spike in volume right here. Right here where my cursor is. Didn't quite make it up there. We hit that spike in volume here. And we just did a little rejection. I'm interested in a short scalp here at the top. Watching to see if we swing these highs. Try to sell one here. With the quick scalper enabled. See what we got. Can I get it? This level here looks better. Okay. So far, we are 28 minutes into market open, and we still have not taken any trades yet. There's some nice volatility pushed down to the downside since market open. And it looks like micro, we're still making lower highs and lower lows, but we are trying to attack this previous micro high right now. I was looking to short maybe right above these highs, but not so much anymore. Let's see what we're looking like on TradingView. Went ahead and scalped a 125 position right here on the back test of this 2 minute here. I didn't quite catch it perfectly. I wish I had the trade evade up. Just back tested this 2 minute here, 1 minute I mean, and I took it down for a 125 pop. You can see down here in the. Looks like I could have held it a little longer, a lot longer. Like I said, we're making microstructure is bearish right now, so can make down, touch these, test these bottoms, these lows here. This was the level I took right here. Came down, came back up, tapped it, started running away. We didn't break these lows here. Let's see how this develops here. 5 minutes just looking wonky. If you go a little bit more micro, you can see. Two minute, you can see it even better. Here I go with this yawning shit again. No way I'm shorting here. I'd have to see this long wick right here. Although it could just fall through here. This long wick right here. It's just kind of got me looking like, feeling like, nah, I'm not going to short this level. And keep in mind, these are just scalps. Scalps until we make it to our main objectives here. If we make it to our main objectives, which looking on higher time frame is these here. Below us here and above us up here. Mainly looking at this inside OB. But yeah, we're just scalping or looking for scalps in between here and there. That's it. Look at this on the 1 hour, just steady going down. Sell volume. So if we did take that 2 minute, we would have been able to take some profits here. But like I said, these long wicks on the bottom kind of got me feeling not so confident in those. I know I slept okay last night, man. I'm yawning like crazy. Might be this music and the weather. Cafe Bustelo. Another scalp opportunity right here. On the 1 minute, we would have taken profit already on this scalp. $100 plus $200, something. Let's see, how many points is that? 83 to 75, not quite. So let's say, let's do that. Coming back up to this trend. Let's watch this on TradingView. Rejected off that 15 minute. 15 minutes holding it up right now. We're holding it down. See what happens here at this high, this micro high here. See if it's going to be defended in any capacity. Every level here has been tapped, so that level. So yep. Only thing that's slowing us down right now is this 15 minute. I would be surprised if this is the bottom for today. At 15 minute ultimately is what ended up holding this move up, but it's been happening. Go breaking over this 15 minute here, trying to anyways. Only a 15 minute candle can break a 15 minute trend. So as of right now, we've only taken one scalp for today so far, and that is for 125. Took a quick scalp earlier for 125 off a back test of a 1 minute level. "41 minutes into market open, and we are still waiting to see what happens here. Will we continue with this micro down structure here? Or will we take this high and try to get us back up to the top of the range here?" See? Do we have 15 here? This 15 has been touched. This 15 has been touched. This one, yeah. So right now we're struggling to break over this 15 minute. This 15 is a 5 as well. Let's get rid of this volume. It's distracting. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't really use indicators such as RSI, MACD, things of those nature. For me, I don't like them. I don't like lagging indicators. As I've highlighted in previous streams, I like to trade market structure, volume. To me, that is the most important factor. Obviously, it's not a foolproof trading strategy, but for me, it is the most important. I trade market structure, price action. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Chris? We trade market structure. But I do use fibs. I pull fibs, confirmation. I use volume. I don't know if you want to classify that as an indicator, but I use that to try to highlight areas of interest. Okay, looks like we're trying to break this 15-minute trend here. We got 53 more seconds, but that wouldn't classify as a trend break, not until we hard close a 15-minute accumulation candle above this downtrend. So as of right now, this would be more or less just classified as a deviation. If we close here and open a new candle here, it wouldn't be classified as a trend break until we have an accumulation candle that is completely rendered above this downtrend. Not including wicks, body to body is B. Open and close above downtrend. So it looks like we're taking these highs here. There we go, taking those highs. Get back on trading view. See what's going on here. So we've taken those highs. Currently at this little 5-minute level there. Okay, up to that. As of right now, we broke microstructure, which was looking bearish going into this morning, session. Okay. Look here. Since the drop this morning, Chris, to answer your question from yesterday, I have confirmed, yes, $20 for every $1 move. 20x leverage on NAS. It's baked in when trading futures on Top Step. Got some chill vibes going on today. I wish I could stop yawning. I feel pretty good. Just kind of waiting right now. Waiting to see what happens when we approach this 15-minute level up here. If we come back and back test this 3-minute level, I'll more than likely take a long scalp. It's 3-minute here. Check the volume there. 537. It's nice and mellow, man. Love the chill vibes. taking a position here. 538. Just looking at the 3 minute. 3 minutes slightly higher up at 42. It kind of doesn't look like we want to go back to it, do it? Yeah, I got missed. Like $6. But futures, that's quite a bit. I mean, like $120 worth of price action. Okay. Taking a level off now. We didn't get that one. And we don't chase the trades, man. Cheers. CVD is definitely looking good, man. Although on this micro, CVD is lower and price action is higher for a slight divergence, but we'll see how it shakes out if we break these highs. See what happens with CVD here. Four minutes until our 15-minute candle closes. As long as we close it as an accumulation candle, that will classify as a trend break, and we'll adjust the trend accordingly. What's Bitcoin doing right now? And came back and hit that 15-minute. I want to say to the dollar. It's very, very, very close. What's up, chat? How you guys doing? See a few guys in here. We get a thumbs up or something in the chat. Waiting on this 3 minutes still. I might try to take it down to the greedier level on the 1. Back tested this 15-minute here. Something slightly lower, like in here. As a scalp. If you guys can do me a favor and hit that like button, that would be much appreciated. Much, much appreciated. Like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9. And then if you want to be a part of our trading community, check us out on Discord. The link is in the description. Are we still interested in taking this level here? Context is changing. This will classify as a 1 minute fair value gap. Two minute. Patience, man. We must wait. Okay, we have a new trend here. And that new trend looks like this. Now we can definitely keep the same, well, same trend here. Just kind of see. Market is gray, so we know it's our old trend. A lot of times, old trends act as support when we come back down. But you don't want to take that just off the strength of a trend line. You want to make sure you have some levels there, which this 15 right here is looking okay. And that will fill in some imbalances there. Let's go over here to Trade Evade, see what kind of imbalances we have on this 15 minute. Yeah. Have some imbalances here. So let's get rid of that. $15 minutes of purple. Breaking above that new trend. Showing some strength to the upside here, guys. Since we're showing some strength to the upside, I'm looking for a retracement to possibly get some type of market exposure right now. I'm not in a hurry to get it, but definitely looking for that retracement. So we wait. Trading most often is a waiting game. I wish I could fast forward through this part for you guys, man, but we are live. We're live from the 5. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. 2 miss, still okay. 3rd miss, somebody's fucking with you, man. Okay. After stream, Chris. $15 still struggling to get over this new trend. Let's get a retracement going on here. It's kind of hurting my ears. To the 1 minute toe. Looks like ES is leading the way. Looks like we're still struggling to try to push over this 15-minute. There's definitely some longs accumulating in this area. Quite a bit of them. Price is at a standstill right now. And let's look at these longs here that's accumulating. Look at all that blue. Those are longs accumulating here. We have a fair amount of shorts in here as well. Let's wait it out. Let's see. I tested the rejection earlier with a tight invalidation. Lost that scalp earlier, by the way. Down to only 25 on the day. So lost $100. But it's okay. I was looking for this to happen right here. And actually pushed up and stopped me out. And I wasn't eager to get back in. Okay, there we go. Making some movement now. I'm trading view here. That's the rejection I was trying to trade. I wanted to see that. With this long wicks up here at the top, man. I was like, selling pressure. With the longs building. Looking like they might try to wreck those late longs. Where we at? Here's somebody whispering in the background of the song. It's kind of weird. Watching this 3-minute level here. Might try to scalp it. Fair amount of shorts coming in right now. And boom. I'm in on that 3-minute. Let's see. Look over here. Let's see what's happening. 29. I want to take it up to here at least 550. Let's see. Okay. I went ahead and took profit at the back test of this value area high, just in case we do try to find acceptance inside of today's value area. So I took profits here at the value area high, so that brings us back up to 140 on the day. That was a cool little scalp. I'm gonna pay attention to this 15-minute that we marked off earlier. As we're approaching now, let's see, 24. Looking at 24. 24 is right here. Let's see if we could get that 24 going in here. Let's look at that 15-minute. So the question is, do we want to take this 15-minute or do we want to wait to go a little deeper into it? This 15-minute is, look at it on, trying to decide right now. So we're at the 15-minute, back test the previous 15-minute trend. So I'm not exactly sure if I should, I'm taking it. I'm going to take it. But the invalidation is so far off, man. Doesn't look like we want to make it there. Came pretty close, but ultimately didn't get there. Maybe we get something deeper in here. Something deeper. Something like here. 93 for that retracement. Like this 1-minute level. Also protected by point of control. Yeah, that seems like a better trade and safer. This 1 minute, this 3-minute and 1 minute have been touched. they're gone. We already traded that 3-minute first touch back to value area high for 140. And right now we're bouncing off of seemingly nothing, but let's see. It might be equilibrium. Not quite equilibrium. Push through it a little bit, but we didn't quite make it down to this 15-minute level. Glad I scalped the 3-minute the way I did, because I probably would have got scared going all the way down here. Remember, every dollar is $20. So my validation would have more than likely been that 1 minute. Let's look on trading view again. See what's going on here. Kind of looks like this is getting primed for a pump. Could be way off here though. Just the way it looks to me, the way it's developing. Almost came back and touched that 15-minute. That would have been a decent percentage gain right there. But ultimately, I wanted deeper anyways, because that 15-minute, the invalidation on it was just way too massive. I don't use arbitrary numbers for stop losses. In most cases, I use market structure. Every now and then, I do just use whatever's in my bracket. And I just set up a quick bracket. It's wide enough so that I don't immediately get stopped out or filled for take profits. Wide enough so that I could adjust it once I enter a position. Might have been the retracement we were looking for. I think breaking this high is pretty imminent. True. Yeah, breaking this high seems inevitable right now. We do have this 15-minute above that I'm eyeing. It's also a 5-minute and a 3-minute. You see if that provides some type of scalpability, if that's a word, scalpability. Some sort of resistance here. Like I said, usually we break trend, we come up and back tested as support. I was looking for a more greedier entry. So altogether, even if I was to take this 15-minute and front run it by 1 or 2 points, I still would have got missed. So it got front ran completely. This 15-minute trend is providing some type of resistance again right now. Wake your punk ass up, man. Let's see if we could change the music around a little bit. It's chill. I like it. But Lord, it is, I think, making me sleepy, man. Let's hear this joint right here.
I think I'm in love, saying way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I'll be moving cautious. I can feel no pain rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted. I close my eyes, I see the vision.
What are we gonna do here? Take these highs, take these highs. Break that 15-minute trend. And see what we're looking like on lower time frames. 5-minute. Let's get rid of this 15 here. It's an O level. Okay, looks like we're trying to take this 15-minute trend here. Trend.
I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, phony,
Huh?
phony,
Huh?
phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay.
I mean, looking at this trend, it's also support, 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 support. Came back. Now it's resistance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did put on this jacket because it matches the colors back there. You see that? Color coordinate. This jacket been sitting in the closet forever. Actually, I never wore it before. So I now see why this is providing some resistance here. Since we got up here to this top range, it looks like this area has been an area of interest. Initially being protected by the bulls, and now it's being protected by the bears. Let's see. Definitely some resistance here. Try to put me e-cigarette on the damn charger. About snatched the cord out of the board. Approaching this 15-minute level we marked out earlier. Pretty much there. We did hit this 5-minute right here on Trade Evade and rejected. I don't have any levels here to trade. So if I do jump in a scalp, it's going to be purely based off volume. I do have a little we The only level I have is the short right now up here. But in my opinion, we already came too close to that and rejected for me to be comfortable taking that position. I've been missed a couple times today on some positions, but that is the name of the game. Especially when you're trading futures. I try to trade the greediest levels. I don't want to jump the gun too often. I might jump the gun on big levels, but for the most part, I try to take the greedier levels with a better invalidation. That way, if I lose, I don't lose too big. BRB got and I'm back. Magic. Looking at this point of control as we approach it. I might try to scalp long here. Are these scalp levels? Scalp levels. I entered a position, taking these lows here. and I would just monitor. With the close invalidation, as we already took these lows here. Okay. Up 190. All right, I took profit there. I brought us up 300. Took profit on this level here. I didn't want to play around with it. So we're up 570 on the day. Yeah, that was a nice scalp. Took profit for a $320 or $330 trade, something like that. So yeah, we're up 570 right now, and ultimately we're just scalping these small levels in between, being patient and watching for the better trades. And for longer term trades, we want to look up. We want to look here at these levels that we marked out earlier this morning. This lower level here for a longer term trade, and then up here for a longer term trade. Maybe even just getting into this OB, but that OB is so damn huge, man. It's gonna be some. Some nice trades to be had inside of this order block, but ultimately I'm looking for that inside order block. So let's see, 5 minute here. Still looking good to the upside. I'm glad I scalped the way I did and exited the way I did, because that allowed us basically to ride the liquidity grab that took place below. So if you look here on the 1 minute, this is why I took this. We're protected by this trend right here, so to speak, and point of control was right here. But knowing that market makers like to grab liquidity, I was looking at a swing of these three lows right here as my entry. So once we took those lows, I went ahead and marketed in with the ability to leave my invalidation fairly close if this was in fact a quick liquidity grab for a quick move up. And I just exited out on this market structure here, kind of where price is rejecting from. I exited there. So just kind of recapping on the trade and my thought process while I was taking it. Okay. So now we're just gonna wait for the next man. We're just gonna be analyzing the market, switching back and forth between screens and jamming out a little bit and scalp our way to millions. Anyways, man. Yeah, if you're here, hit that like, subscribe, share with a friend, or keep it to yourself. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just glad that you're here. If you want, join us on our Discord. Link is down in the description. It's like we're trying to break this value area high. I'm okay with taking my scalps, man. You know, I don't have much interest in participating in battles in particular areas, especially areas where you know there's always going to be a battle. And like right here, value area high. Obviously, this swing high right here is going to be a little defended, and I don't want to really participate in that. I let the people with deep pockets handle that. Grab my e-cigarette. Having a Nick fit. Okay. Okay. It's like we're trying to take the value area high. See what's taking place here. Let's go back to our 15-minute. So I know it seems trivial, but I promise it'll make a lot of sense if you start doing trend lines the way I will. I'll post a video on it, but you see this corner? I know it seems trivial, trust me, but it all makes sense. You see this little corner that's inside that trend? That actually doesn't qualify in my book as a hard close. So right now we're just deviating. So this trend is still intact on the 15-minute. Now, if this candle closes as an accumulation candle in the next 12, 13 minutes, then that will become the new trend. But until then, this trend right here is still active, and you will see if price comes back to it, you'll see how it will react. And if it does come back there, you're just going to have to take my word for it, or don't take my word for it. It's up to you. We still have this 15-minute that's been untapped above. It's a 15-minute, a 5-minute, and a 3-minute, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a 15-minute. It's 5. It's 5 is a little bit lower, but still the same area. And our 3-minute, is actually up here, but this right here will be considered like a backside to the 3-minute. So okay, shoot, man. So the first rejection happened on the 5-minute. I mean, pretty much to the dollar. Matter of fact, it is. So actually that 15-minute that I was looking at earlier is actually not valid. Not for me. Unless there's some serious volume here. Let me see. Oh, that's all after hours shit here. Let's see what happened yesterday at this level. So we'll take yesterday's volume. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's like right on it, too. Shit. Actually, 15-minute might be valid. Let's see. I don't know if you guys... It's definitely a massive divergence still forming. You see, price is increasing while delta is decreasing. That usually shows signs of of weakness. So right now, as we're trying to take these highs right here, I don't have a real position to take right now. I'm looking at some of these some microstructure here as a place for a potential rejection, because obviously once we get up into this area here, it should be defended. We should see some type of defense coming in once we get up to the top of this where this downtrend is. But as of right now, I don't see a good place to maybe go short at. It was a hidden 3-minute there. Not really though. Right here, even that one was touched to the T actually. If you look at that, back test it right here perfectly. It's a 3-minute here. It was touched perfectly. 3-minute here. Now this one right here hasn't been violated. And let's see that there. Look at 5-minute. Probably should have started on the higher time frame. So the 5 minutes actually a little bit higher here. My brother Chris likes to trade 2 minutes on Bitcoin, but 3-minute time frame on NAS seems to be really well respected. Seems to be the cheat code time frame, if you will. Yeah. Let's watch this area here. Get rid of this old level here. Get rid of this old trend here. That 15-minute got pretty close, but no. This trend is still active. We got 3.5 minutes until this candle closes here. Yeah, so let's look at this area, this small little area right here. Just trying to see if the invalidation makes sense. No trades right now. No trades to be taken. Not in my opinion. Still playing the waiting game. Although we have extracted some profits today. We're up 570 on the day. And now just trying to be patient here. Not trying to rush into any trades. Don't want to give that money back.
On the clutching to get wine on the window, they all disappear. The neighbors like, what happened here? Donny got shaved, but he still got hair. Big drip, little drip got tear. Got me with Lurky, we had big man scared.
Where is my boy Oxy? He loves some UK drill. Shoot it. Up and then vanish, free boogie B, well-known savage, pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day me and Nabs went on alert, didn't see nothing, just one little stranglers. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking. Yo, too late, all damn he's capping. I see Broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, stropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, a lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping. Due to get long when cool starts flying, bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nis for a piping. Leave it, a little bro, swipe it. Without, that's my big pal. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If you chill with the ops, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. New bando, I don't chase no clout. I just hit the op, he smoke it and I'm out. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, stropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, a lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping. Due to get long when cool starts flying, bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nis for a piping. Leave it, a little bro, swipe it. Ride and tap it, this shit's fantastic. Hey broski, pass me the dot. Watchman hops, got trip, get cabbage. Both baby got shotties and daggers. Hammers, pull up and ops in it. Approaching this value area high.
Run up a youth, no manners. Too specific, forget what happened. Angle arms
as I swing it. Dip it, rip it, twist it, kill it. Everyone's bad till bro starts chinging. Gunshot, holy you in existence. We caught one, he left his misses. Pull up on my block, his scripts we're flipping. 3 doors, pop shotgun get lifted. If you caught him, we'll see him on pictures.
You bros, you watching, clutching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, strapped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when calls starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad bitch, come to the nest for a piping. Cheat it, leave it, a little bro swag.
Yeah, best believe if we got smoke, you know it's up. Nowadays, my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this down now. CVD's looking even weaker. It's just dying. Delta is dying. Trying to be selective about our next trade.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know it's up. Nowadays, my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a 30, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks.
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't.
Don't look like value area high is gonna hold up. Let's go see what's happening on TradingView real quick. Yeah, CVD's looking bad. Price is going up. CVD's going down. Cumulative volume delta. I could explain that to you guys on a later stream or another video, but yeah, CVD's looking bad. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little push up and then ultimately fell back down. But I can't pretend to know what the market's going to do. It's just based off of what's in front of my eyes. That's what it looks like CVD wise. let's see. I've been streaming for nearly 3 hours. If we get up here and I end up taking a short, I'm gonna stream a little longer. But we're at 2 hours and 43 minutes right now. At 3 hours, if there's still no trades made, I'll probably end the stream and just continue to trade off stream while recording, and maybe I'll post that at a later date or later on tonight. But as of right now, we are up 570 right now. And we're looking for shorts right now as price goes up. But looking at where it may reject from. So it's kind of where I'm looking at right now, is looking for shorts, but I'm not opposed to any long scalps right now. So we definitely changed structure. Micro, we were in a downtrend. Now we are in an uptrend. So anyways, a few more minutes and we'll see what happens. Came back and touched that 2 minute. And so prop this current run up right now. I don't know why my trading view keeps doing that. It's weird.
I ain't feeling good, but you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans on me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show what the showman, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I have plenty.
I don't know what he's saying, but it's vibey, man. So yeah, I had to keep it up. But I ain't gonna lie, yeah, sometimes I've been feeling stuck. You ever felt so down that you don't believe in love? But I can't this far, so why would I ain't feeling good, but you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans on me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show what the showman, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was on my lowest, they was popping no confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy. And this my life, yeah, you know I'm mad. Gotta take what's mine, don't put you in last. Gotta clear my eyes. So if we fail to take these highs, come down, take these lows, I'm going to be looking to take some shorts. We do have a new 15-minute trend right here. Watching this high here. If we fail to take this high, and like I said, we break this low, I'm going to be looking to short whatever level is created in here. Otherwise, we take this high, I'm still going to be looking up to this area up here. 15-minute. It's holding up. 15-minute trend, I mean. So we failed to take that low. I mean that high. So I want to see us take this low. Then if we take this low right here, we'll come back up into this level here. I'll probably short it. Okay, taking that low. Yep, just took that low. Trying to take this level here. If we end up poking them above here to these highs, I'm actually I'll just exit out market. But right now I'm comfortable in my trade. Because CVD is looking horrible. That long ass wick though doesn't make me feel happy. Yeah, we're looking to mark it out. I have 2 seconds till candle close. Okay, took the high, exiting out. Okay, we're up 295 now. Lost a couple $100 on that trade, but it's okay. Let's look and see what's happening on TradingView. We took that high. We took that high, so after we swung that low, so oh, it'd be funny if we dropped from here after taking my stop. Be funny. Up here at this 3-minute level, hopping through it right now. Still waiting trade up here. There we go. Breaking above.
Life ain't easy when you young. And we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah. I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah. Poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different sights. Still got a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy. I swear that bad helps me amazing. These women be crazy, yeah. So hope, get the fuck up out my DMs. Eat it, haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me, 40 clip. Wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Continuing our the micro uptrend. Waiting to hit this area up in here. This looks more like the last line of defense for this upper range here. If we blast through there, I'll be looking more towards that order block above. CVD still looking very bad. Okay, that popped off. Pushing up to this area here. We definitely have to monitor here. I'm not going to take it blindly.
Let me sip on my tropical juice and let me smoke this tropical weed. B, I got the maddest of flavors. Don't think that this shit comes cheap. So, bitch, don't moan. When I charge 15 for a D, just a little nigga in his zone. Grind hard, can't stone these sheets.
665.
Doing it all. Dip stash and I'm getting in peak. Huh? I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way. Just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey. The Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad. I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The Drake boy's really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz.
Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RPT bands. I barely sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he got a move cool, show me the ins and outs. Quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving it up, then we're putting him down.
We're at 315 right now. I did scalp a little $25, $50 move, something like that earlier. Still waiting though. All right. Well, it's 3 hours in, and we are approaching that level. I should hang out for a minute. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he got a move cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving up. Okay, approaching that area here. Okay. Okay. This is the level we're looking at here. Watching this level here. It's 3 minutes, so that's green. Although that's tapped, I'm still marking it.
Memories, I'm erasing that. Gotta go, I'm escaping that. Matter of fact, I'm upgrading. Got me a couple of dimes in my rotation. One in relations. Bigger than no conversation. Ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another day. Now she want me as a crush. She want me to eat it like lunch. Make the little girl fall in love. If I was to give you a chance, I promise it'd only be one. Find out you take it for granted. You get it left in the dust. You get it left in the past tense. Can't treat me right, then I just gotta dip and vanish. Said your ex, he left you trash. Just because you sad and damaged, don't give you the right to hand it out. But it's too late now, yeah, it's too late now, yeah. Had to upgrade from my regular ways, yeah. Shorty, she see that I'm on, already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave, told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that.
CVD looks like it's correcting itself. Like I said, I don't want to take that level blindly. Gonna monitor. Oh. Let's watch Trading View real quick. Came back and back tested it. Like support.
It's one hell of a life. No, we moving fast, so I'm taking my time. 23 like I'm Janice Prime. Put my money on you, baby girl, you would die. Ride for my brothers, know I'm dying for mine. Take my heart, I don't want it back.
Falling on neutral delta right now.
And you know you nearly gave a kid a heart attack. I'm just happy that I'm leaving with my heart intact. Big orange, big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me and we be rocking. All this silky linen that be lining up my pockets. Know I'm good with you, fuck around and got it poppin'. All I want is you, I don't need no other options. I'ma hit the gas, put that shit in autopilot. And I'm riding with my baby, going stupid, going crazy. In the back of a Mercedes, getting money on a daily.
Damn it.
For the fourth time, keep it on the low. And as soon as it hits morning, now you wrapped around me moaning and you telling me don't go, no. And I think they call it goals, never heard them moving slow, so I tell them like big orange, big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me. And we be shining with my baby, that my shorty right beside me. That's my ex, she gon' say I did it slimy. Go ahead, you can't see me with your hobbies. Check the wrist, now we call that perfect timing. And you know that we be riding. Never needed space, then I'm buying you an island.
Okay. We'll watch how price action develops up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and gonna cut it here. We're in the stream at 370. 370 on the day. I'm gonna watch price action up here, but I'll do it off stream. I'll continue to record just in case I catch anything good, and update you guys later. And I'll be providing updates in Discord. So just yeah, hit me up. Let us know if you need anything. Come holler at us at Beast Mode Trades Discord. Join the family. Ask questions. Learn. We learn from each other. All right. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe. All of that. All right. Peace out.
Hold on me.